You don't have to choose if you're going to think or believe. You can do both. That's one of the reasons I love the drunkenness in the Holy Spirit. It seems illogical. It actually makes you more intellectual. Oh, I'm serious. We had a student when we were at UC San Diego, and UC San Diego is called the Harvard of the Sciences. They're kind of smart there. And we had this girl, her dad's like a really well-known surgeon, and she was doing pre-med at the time. She's just about to be a doctor now, but she was pre-med, and she was taking the test, the hard test, right? Freaking out, stressing out. And I'd never seen much emotion out of her, let alone what she began to do. She fell out of her chair in a meeting and just started laughing hysterically. And I said, "What's going on?" She goes, "I don't have to study anymore." She just cracked up, rolled around. She said the Holy Spirit said to stop studying. So she gets drunk in the Holy Spirit. She stops studying, and she aces the test.